What's going on, guys? Marcus from Wall Street Assassins back at it again with another video. Today's the Sunday watch list, basically us getting ready for the upcoming week. And just like every other week, every other day, we're starting off with the economical calendar, making sure we're prepared for any kind of news that may affect our trades. Looking at the week, Monday has no information coming out. Tuesday, we have 1 year Fed expectation and 5 year Fed expectations. Number 8, nothing points out to me. Number 9, jobless numbers always affects the market. And number 10, we have 1 year and 5 year and Fed budget. So definitely want to watch to see what happens. Check this out on Market Watch. It is an earnings week, so you guys want to be prepared for that as well. Few companies have earnings. You can see the Monday list over here. Probably gonna miss a lot of names, but we have Spirit, Pinterest, Activision, BP, Hertz, Chipotle. We have Uber over here, CVS, Affirm, Disney. So we have a lot of companies. Apple, not Apple, Abivai, Lyft, PayPal, even Toyota, Honda. Whatever names you guys see here, you guys can look to trade them. As you guys know, I do not trade earnings. I just trade the run up before and the after move, the day after. So make sure you guys check this out. You guys can find this on Earnings Whispers on Instagram. Good Instagram page to basically find out basically information about earnings. So let's start with the overall watch list. We're going to start off with Apple. Looking at Apple on the 180-day over here, you can see Apple's overall on an uptrend. RSI is a little bit overbought. That's going to be the reoccurring trend. So we see there's the resistance right here at 157.94. We need to break this level. You can see that 157.94 was previous resistance multiple times in the past. This is the 180-day 4-hour. This is the date and time for those of you guys that are new, so you guys can see, hey, what days in the past has this level has been resistance before, meaning an area or problem where the stock is struggling to go up from. So we need to break that 157, in my opinion. I think we need to get to like 158, and we could start going long to 160. So watch out for that. 160, you can see after that 157, 158 price point, we haven't really broken above it until this point over here where we hit like 161. So watch out for that back in September 2022. So this is Apple. And to the downside, we have a strong support at 153. Of course, this has been a previous resistance. So if we break 153, we can start drop down towards 150. If we break 150, which is basically the 180-day EMA, which can act as support when the stock is trading above it, that's this blue line. And once we break it, we could basically sink lower. So being overbought, probably going to wake up 153 to 150. If it breaks 150, we could start going to 146. And I always like to check a second chart for confirmation. Looking at the 20-day, 20-day does look like it wants to cross over. So let's see what happens. Once we break that 20-day trade line, it'll sink to the 180-day and maybe go lower. RSI is an overbought position over here. Never go into any trade being biased to one side. That's why I give you guys both side opportunity. Next stock we're going to talk about is Tesla. We're going to jump over towards the 180-day. Tesla is a little bit overextended, went from 101 to the highs of basically 199 over here. I think it needs to break 199 before, or 200 before it could start going to 209. So make sure you guys watch out for that. Same scenario. We haven't broke this 200 level in a while. And ever since when we did break it, 208 was the previous basically resistance level. So watch out for that on Tesla. Definitely going to be a major level to watch to see if Tesla breaks. It has been on a consistent uptrend. If I was to draw a line from the bottom to the top, you guys can see basically it's making like a stepping staircase pattern. So watch out for that on Tesla. On the way down, watching for the break of 188. Then I think we could go to 179, which was a previous resistance, which could become support. So second chart we're going to check is going to be the 20-day to see overall uptrend. MACD has already crossed down, needs to open up. So we need it for full confirmation of bearishness, meaning we want this candle to hold below this blue line in order to be comfortable for those short positions, or hold above 200 in order to see those long positions towards that 208, 209 area. Next stock we're going to talk about is Amazon. Amazon has been on a nice uptrend for the past 20 days. So definitely want to keep Amazon on watch. Amazon has actually had its sell-off already. So you can see the RSI is already getting closer to being oversold, meaning a good area for buying. But it's not a good time to buy, in my opinion, right now, until we break at least the 180-day EMA around like 106. Then we could start pushing to 110. So watch out for that on Amazon. If not, I do think it could possibly go lower. It's now sitting on the 1-year EMA, which is at 102. Once we break 102, I think we could sink down towards 99 over here, which has been a previous resistance and a previous support. So 180 days cross down on the MACD and the 20 days cross down on the MACD. So one or two things I think is going to happen since we're above this SMA. This SMA normally acts as like a divider, a bookmark, in my opinion. So this SMA, once we're trading above it, the stock is deemed bullish, but it can act as support and it can act as resistance if the stock is trading below it. So definitely want to watch out to see what happens. It could drop from that 202 now towards 201. So watch out for that. And then for the upside, like we said, 106 for that 110. So keep Amazon on the watch. And for the last one we're going to talk about is going to be SPY. Looking at SPY, checking out the 180-day SPY has been basically on an uptrend with the overall market. Want to watch key levels for a breakout. 413 towards 416 for the upside, right? You can see 413 is the EMA. MACD's crossed down. RSI is a little bit more on the overbought side. Right now, we are trading below the EMA, which is a bearish sign. 411 down towards basically 406. Nice little gaps to fill to the downside. Hopefully, we do not wake up and she's down there ready. If you swung, congratulations. I didn't swing, so I'm going to be looking for a day trade. So watch out for that. We are above the SMA as well, which this 405 zone can act as some type of major support, especially since it is the 1-year EMA as well. 20 days already crossed out. RSI has room to go to the downside. So looking a little bit bearish on this chart over here. For me to flip my mindset to bullishness, I want a few confirmations. I want that 20-day to cross over. I want us to break and hold above 413, and then we could possibly retest this 417 zone. What do you guys think? Do you guys think we're going to have a bullish week, bearish week? Are you guys going to just be in it for the scalps? Are you guys looking for the earnings? Let me know. Like and comment, share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.